Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. Today, we honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., and his memory lives on more than 50 years after his passing for many reasons. I think one of the primary ones is that he, I think, was a prophet of the 20th century. He reminded us what it means to be both an American and a Christian. And so we honor the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King by praying together this affirmation of faith based on his writings. I refuse to believe that we are unable to influence the events which surround us. I refuse to believe that we are so bound to racism and war that peace, brotherhood, and sisterhood are not possible. I believe there is an urgent need for people to overcome oppression and violence without resorting to violence and oppression. I believe that we need to discover a way to live together in peace, a way which rejects revenge, aggression, and retaliation. The foundation of this way is love. I believe that unarmed truth and unconditional love will have the final word in reality. I believe that right, temporarily defeated, is stronger than evil triumphant. I believe that peoples everywhere can have 3 meals a day for their bodies, education and culture for their minds, and dignity, equality, and freedom for their spirits. I believe that what self-centered people have torn down, other-centered people can build up. By the goodness of God at work within people, I believe that brokenness can be healed, and the lion and the lamb shall lie down together, and everyone will sit under their own vine and fig tree, and none shall be afraid.